So guys, many people have HSV, otherwise known as herpes, and it's not sex them get it from. Them get it from the foods that they are eating. You see, because HSV is a zoonotic disease, it is a virus that originates in animals. When you eat these meats, you are introducing those virus, those dead coats into your body, and they must circulate into your body until they meet up on glycoprotein. Now them get to enter into your cells and activate themselves. So what you are going to do now to help yourself? Because once you see a sore by your mouth, it will tell us those cells are compromised and they are producing skin, or they are producing collagen the wrong way. So how you gonna help yourself now? You're gonna help yourself by either calling us and let us guide you, or if you want to try to do it on your own, you can eliminate the foods that contribute to HSV. Link me up if you need extra help. Link me up for guidance. Link me up. We are here to serve.